Today we about to look at my freezer, and I just made a sandwich something, so you might see something. I got my little cousin picture, which will he draw. He only in school. We about to start school though. We basically about to start. Look, those that I just made, full of fruit stuff. Freezer. This is the freezer. I'll open it because it tasted nasty, so I tested this cherry one. Get the cherry one. I ate this one. And we got orange. Orange. Juice bears. But we looked at there. Now look at our refrigerator, because we didn't get a lot of stuff for our refrigerator, so yeah. This is our food that we ate yesterday. Here's our cheese, the other cheese there. Then we got our little juice, our water so we can keep healthy, and our sour cream. And we got another one back there, which is, and we got a new whole one, sour cream. And this is the stuff that we ate yesterday, so yeah. This is the goodest cheese. Look, it's just the regular cheese. See? No hot peppers and stuff in it. I like the cheese. And here goes the shredded cheese. Because we made these for our soup because they melt faster. And you see the little milk on it. Have our peanut butter, our Hershey stuff that we're supposed to be closing it as they didn't do. It was so hard to close. Close it all the way, but still. Our ranch, our water, and my furnace, well basically my mom's furnace, and our jack, our hot, whatever they call it, and then mustard, and grape stuff, and taco sauce. And we have our hot dogs, and the chocolate chip cookies, and this, which is about to be thrown away at first, and then a big milk whip that's bigger than my phone. And our sausages. Oh, here go our fries and chicken and stuff that we barely ate. Though that was my meal, but what I barely ate. So thank you. And that's all. I got one more thing to tell y'all. Here's our cereal. We got Golden Grams, which is in Pros, Camps, whatever. Apple Jacks, Fruit Loops, and honeycombs, and crusted toast crunch. The butter I know what it's called, and then those. Got two of those, one of those, two of those, one of those, one of those, and one of those. And my A 100% on this easy thing. Angry and mad accepting stuff. So yeah, my name right here is, as I wrote, Tiana Taylor. Let me see so y'all can see it. Tiana Taylor. Okay. Tiana Taylor. This was just so easy, like real easy. You see the little ducklings. And thank you for watching my freezer and refrigerator tour. Peace. How? Oh, let me check.